Tecsee is a professional keyboard accessories manufacturer. We specialize in designing and manufacturing keyboard accessories such as keyboard switches, keycap stabilizers, keyboard housings and so on. We provide services including OEM, ODM model manufacturing and finished product assembly. Our factory is equipped with plastic mold manufacturing equipment, injection molding machines and printing machines and automated assembly lines. From the assembly of switch parts to the completion of switch machine testing and out of the machine, and then manually test the working condition of the switches to ensure the high quality of the products and fully meet the requirements of customers. We have always been committed to developing innovative and high-quality products to provide customers with competitive products. We hope to cooperate with our customers for a long time and grow together. Let's cooperate and win-win together.